Messina, Naples. Ottawa, July the 18th, 1610. 4 years on the run. So many labels on the luggage and hardly a friendly face. Always on the move. Running into the poisonous blue sea. Running under the July sun. Adrift. Salt water drips from my fingers, leaving a trail of tiny tears in the burning sand. The fishermen carry me high on their shoulders. I can hear you sobbing, Jerusalem. Rough hands warm my dying body, snatched from the cold blue sea. They're rowing me back to the village, a breath warm on my blue lips. I'm dying in time to the plash of their oars. If arms as steady as these had embraced me in life. To think, Jerusalem, our friendship should end in this room. This cold white room so far from home.
The stars are the diamonds of the poor. The rich men hide their diamonds in vaults, embarrassed to compare them with the riches of the Lord that sparkle in the sky. The gentleman is conferring a great honor on our family. Be faithful and honest, like the men of our country.
Salami. No use as a shepherd. You looked a true St. John brought from the wilderness. I taught you the colors and how to grind them. The blood-red cinnabar and verdigris, ground in poppy and linseed. The art of priming and glazing with soft squirrel brushes. A companion in my loneliness. Now I'm counting the sheep on the hillside above our house. Pasqualone sometimes counts them with me, his hand parting my hair like the ripples at the bottom of the ocean. Far below, my mother waves a white sheet. Bedtime, Michaeli. Michaeli, Michaeli. Her voice floating like the silver mast bell in the evening air. My true love, Pasqualone, laughs. Bedtime, Michaeli of the shadows. We turn slowly home, the stones clattering under our feet. The white sheet is swallowed in the twilight. Pasqualone, Pasqualone, the mountains echo. Then the darkness comes.
How much?
50?
That's steep. Have you more at home?
It will cost you.
Oggetto d'arte. E io sono molto caro. In plain English, mate, I'm an art object and very, very expensive. You've had your money's worth.
I built my world as divine mystery, found the god in the wine and took him to my heart. I painted myself as Bacchus and took on his fate, a wild orgiastic dismemberment. I raise this fragile glass and drink to you, my audience. Man's character is his fate.
Why did you paint the flesh so green?
I have been ill all summer, Excellency. It's true to life.
And art?
It isn't art.
I see. A most interesting idea. What is your name?
Michelangelo de Caravaggio.
Michelangelo.